Hi everyone, Call Finance here. And in today's video, I want to go over the mathematics and the mechanics in Excel to illustrate the time value of money. And if you recall my last video, I talked a little bit about the time value of money. So if you haven't seen it yet, definitely stop this video, go back and watch that one and come back because you're just going to have a better understanding of where we go in this video. So in that last video, if you recall, I had one of two different questions. The first one is, what is the value of $100 3 years from today's date, assuming there's an 8% interest rate and it compounds annually? So the way I like to do this in Excel is I obviously like to put in time here for the row, and then I'm going to denote 0 for today's date, 1, 2, and then 3 years from today. So today, that value of $100 is $100. There's nothing changing, right? But in 1 year, we're basically going to do is take that previous year, multiply it by 1 plus the interest rate. And in Excel, I'm going to click on F4 because what that's going to do is it's going to anchor that cell. That way, it's going to be easier for just to copy and paste it for the next two cells moving forward. So basically, I'll copy it, paste it, and there you go, $125.97, which is our end value here. Now, a quick way to do this is by taking the present value and multiplying it by 1 plus the interest rate, and then raising it by the number of years. And in this case, it's 3, and it will give you $125.97. A quicker way is to take the future value formula in Excel. When you do that, it's going to have a prompt that comes up. So basically just follow the prompt, and it's going to ask you for the rate, the time horizon, the number of payments, which is 0 in this case. And for the present value, you're going to negate the present value because in Excel, the way this formula works, it's looking at cash outflows where now when we negate it, so it doesn't come up as a negative number, when we negate it, it's actually going to come up with cash inflows. And that's, again, gives us $125.97. Now, the other question I asked was, an interest rate of 6% compounded annually, what is the present value of $100 3 years from today? So someone gives you $100 3 years from now, what is the value today? So in Excel, it's a little bit different, and I kind of just put this out here just for time's sake. So we have our values here, and basically we're going to be working backwards, okay? So in the future, we have $100. Everyone with me? Okay. So now, in order to discount that back 1 year by 6% to see what that value is, we're basically going to take that $100 and then we're going to divide it by 1 plus the discount rate, or the interest rate in this case, and then raise it again to the third power for the number of years. And that, or excuse me, we're going to raise it to the 1 because we're actually going back 1 year. So again, we should actually anchor this cell right here. So it's an easy reference, copy it, paste it, and there you go. It gives us $83.96 is what our value is today, assuming that someone gives us $100 into the future. A quicker way of doing that is by taking the future value and then dividing it by 1 plus the interest rate, and then again, raising it to the third power, and that'll give you the $83.96. A quicker version of that is actually using the present value formula. And when you do that, just like the future value formula, it's going to give you a rate, the number of payments, the time horizon, future value, etc. So the rate is 6%, the time horizon 3, no payments, and then again, once again, we have to negate the cash inflow or outflow, and it'll give you $83.96. So again, I hope this video at least illustrates mechanically, especially this top portion, on how it actually looks in terms of the time value of money, right? So $100 into the future at 3 years in the future is actually worth $83.96. The future value of $100 today at 8% interest compounded annually is actually $125.97. So hopefully this gives you a better understanding. More videos to come. definitely like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we hope to see you very soon. So this is Cult Finance signing off. Till next time.